Alright, what is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we'll be changing out my old ProSport coolant temperature sensor adapter that I picked up. I had my old one. I bought them from Import Image Racing. They only had 3 color options: gold, silver, and I think blue or red. And depending on what color option, they only had the gold only came in 32 mil, the silver only came in 38 mil or 36 mil, and the blue only came in like 36 mil. So I'll pick this one off of Amazon. Here is the brand right there. They give you a bunch more color options as well as size options. As you can see, this is a 38. WRX and STI stock coolant hoses are 36 mil or 38. You can make a 38, but it's a lot tighter fit, which is what I'm going for. I want it nice and tight. As you can see, the thread is a 1/8 in PT fitting, so we can reuse our ProSport coolant temperature sensor. Well, it does simply remove my old adapter and unplug it, and then we'll we won't even have to unplug it. We'll just remove my old adapter, put this new adapter in place. We'll lose a little bit of coolant, not too much. Then we'll take the old sensor out of the old housing and put it in this new housing. So yeah, let's get into it. Alright, as you can see, here's my old one. There's the 1/8 MPT fitting or coolant temperature actual sensor, and here's my old housing. As you can see, it's a 32 mil, and it's supposed to be gold, but it's actually like this orangish copperish color. As you can see, it is way too small for the actual line itself. So what happens is it leaks right down there onto my header, so it creates a lot of smoke. So we'll go ahead and remove this. All we need to remove this is just a flathead screwdriver. It's these 2 hose clamps. I'll get them off now. Alright, now that I got both hose clamps pretty loose, as you can see, we're losing a little bit of coolant. I'm going to go ahead and just simply pop this out real quick and pop this new one in. That way we can lose as little coolant as possible. So yeah. Alright, here goes, y'all, just a little side-by-side comparison of the 32 mil, which is the orange one, and the 38 mil, which is the blue one. As you can see, blue is a lot bigger, but other than that, they're same design, same shape. The blue is a little bit bigger in every aspect. So yeah, now we'll go ahead and pull this old hose clamp off, since the new one included 2 new hose clamps. And pull this old one off, and then we'll put the new adapter in. I'm going to put the 38 mil facing the back of the engine, so I think it looks cleaner that way. Whereas the 32 mil on this one, this is a ProSport one, is on top. So yeah. Alright, let's get into it. Alright, to disconnect the old sensor, I just used let's see, a 9/16. Yeah, 9/16, and I just disconnected it. Now we'll go ahead. I did not disconnect it because there's no point. We're just transferring it from one house into the other. So now I'm gonna put a little Teflon tape around this threads, and then I'll put the new sensor into the new housing, and then we'll begin to tighten up the hose clamps and everything. Another thing is I put my hose clamps on the back side. To me, it looks a little cleaner. Keep them nice and uniform. So yeah, get some Teflon tape, put on these threads. We'll get the new sensor in, and we'll tighten all of it down. Alright, and as you can see, we got the new coolant temperature sensor housing adapter put into place. We got everything nice and tightened down. You can angle this whatever way you want to. You can angle it more to the back, or you can actually put the sensor on the bottom, but I prefer to keep it on top. Got me a nice little electrical wire loom to put over the wire, so it looks a little bit more cleaner. I got it zip tied out of the way, that way it does not get nicked by this belt. So keep that in mind. And as you can see, we got a pretty tight tolerance, but there is space between there. So that way, none of this, whether it be the hose clamp, wire, housing, anything like that, will get hit by the power steering pulley or the belt. So yeah, everything is nice and neat. And yeah, thank you for watching. Please smash that like button if you found any of this information useful or helpful in any way. And I'll see you in the next video.